Hi, this is Rob. This is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 car battery booster pack to jumpstart your car. It comes shipped in this box. Take it out of the shipping box. This is what the actual box looks like. What do you get in this box? The battery booster pack itself, a set of heavy-duty battery clamps, one red clamp for the positive post and one black for the negative post, a micro USB charging cable to charge the battery booster pack, a 12-volt car charger adapter that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter, a multi-language user's guide, and a microfiber storage bag. The GB40 is an ultra-portable, lightweight, and compact lithium-ion car battery jump starter pack for 12-volt batteries. So this battery booster pack uses a lithium-ion battery. The best-selling electric cars also use lithium-ion batteries. With this lithium-ion battery booster pack, you can safely jumpstart a dead battery in seconds. When this booster pack is fully charged, you can jump a car up to 20 times. This booster pack can hold its charge for up to 1 year without being recharged. This battery pack also comes with a 1-year limited warranty and a lifetime customer support. The parts of the battery booster pack. This is the internal battery indicator. It indicates the charge level of the internal lithium-ion battery inside. This battery comes partially charged, about 25% charged. Thus, you need to fully charge it before use. It took about 2.5 hours to fully charge this battery in my house. It has 4 bars. 1 bar lit up means 25% charge. This is the air LED light. It illuminates red if reverse polarity is detected. The red clamp goes on the positive post of the battery that you are jumping, and the black clamp goes on the negative post of the battery that you are jumping. Reverse polarity is when you put the clamps on the wrong post of the battery. If you do this, then this air LED light will turn red. That's why this company calls this a mistake-proof battery jumper starter, making it safe for anyone to use, if that person knows what this red light means. This air LED light also warns you if the temperature of the internal lithium-ion battery in this booster pack is running too high. This arrow light will then blink red on and off. This is the power button to turn on and off this booster pack. When you turn it on, the internal battery indicator will light up. This is the power LED light. It will turn white when the booster pack is turned on. This is the boost LED light. When the booster pack detects that it is connected to a battery, this light will turn solid white and the booster pack will go into boost mode, meaning that it is ready to jumpstart the car. If this light is not illuminated, make sure that the red and black clamps are connected to the battery correctly. This is the manual override button. If the boost LED light does not illuminate white, that may mean that the battery you are trying to jump is too low in battery life to be detected. If the boost LED light does not illuminate, that means that the booster pack is not ready to jumpstart the car because it does not detect that it is connected to a battery. Maybe because the battery is completely dead, or maybe because the clamps are not connected correctly on the battery. You can override the safety features by pressing this button. Make sure that the clamps are connected correctly and that the air light is not illuminated before you press this override button to jumpstart a car that has a completely dead battery. This is the flashlight button. There is a flashlight at the end of this booster pack, 2 lights. This is a 100 lumen LED light. 100 lumen is equal to a 20-watt light bulb. 100 lumen is bright enough to light up your car engine area to see what you are doing. The flashlight has 7 different modes. Each time that you press the flashlight button, it will toggle through the 7 different modes. The 7 modes are 100%, 50%, 10%, emergency SOS. A SOS light blinks 3 times. Anything in 3s is an international distress signal. A blink mode, a strobe, and off mode. But you have to toggle directly to the mode that you want. For example, if you toggle to 100% light mode and leave it there for even after 10 seconds, the next time that you press the light button, it will turn off the light. so toggle the light button fairly quickly to get to the mode that you want. How to connect the heavy-duty battery clamps to the booster pack. This 12-volt out is where to connect the battery clamps. It can only go in one way. And these are the heavy-duty battery clamps. These are really heavy-duty, built strong and tough. On the other side of the booster pack is a USB out and a USB in. The USB in is where you plug in the included USB cable to charge this booster pack. You can charge this in your car or charge it in your house. The USB out is used to recharge any personal mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, or other USB devices. But the USB cable that comes with this booster pack is a micro USB on the other end, and my smartphone uses a USB-C on the other end. Make sure that you're carrying in your car an extra USB cable that is compatible with your smartphone. This is what it looks like on the back of the booster pack. Here it says IP65. That is the waterproofing rating. IP65 means that this is not completely waterproof. You can't drop this into a river, but with all the rubber caps on, protecting the ports, it will withstand water jets without any harmful effects. Thus, it should hold up well in a heavy rain. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this power booster.